Hello everybody. This
Hello.
hello. This is LJ5. Hello everyone. Hello Kate.
Hello, Dave.
Yeah. Why don't you introduce yourself? They're going
Yeah.
to talk about you.
Okay, my name is Kate. I'm Army for more than 5 years.
Really?
Like,
5
Yeah.
years.
yeah, I started from high school, so yeah.
Already 5 years. So you knew much more than me, right?
I think so.
Really? So did you know that Army last night? It was last night. They nominated by Grammy. Did you know that?
Yeah.
So they perform some music. Did you watch it?
I saw some news.
Okay. It's not clear.
Yeah.
I will post this movie recording. Go back, watching and come back.
Okay.
Okay. They win their Grammy or not? Grammy Award.
I'm not sure. I just know that they have
You don't
some
know anything
army.
about them. 5 years.
Army. Army have some problem with Grammy, so I'm not sure that I want to see
Hurdle
this.
is too high. Anyway,
Yeah.
today we are not talking about the Grammy. Today we're going to learn Korean with BTS. Yay!
Wow.
So recently the big hit company here. Oh, sorry. Big hit education. They made, it was last year I think. They made textbook. With the BTS we can study Korean together. So we're going to unboxing and review about BTS set. And at the front, this design is very pretty. And background, you can see it here. Let me make close. There are some Korean character based designing here. You can some Korean. Can you? Consonant. Yeah, anyway, design and 7 adorable, BTS boys here. Backside.
Cute.
It's cute, right? So well designed.
Yeah.
Koreans too much care about designing. And behind we can see we have a 4 book set here and 1 speaking pen and charger cable and keyboard sticker too we have. It looks like. So let's try to open it up. Okay?
Oh,
Ready?
yeah.
No?
Yeah. Open it.
Okay. So when we open it up, first we have paper here. It's ancient style Korean traditional paper. We just using this paper and then writing down all time. And oops.
Oh, be careful.
Sorry about that. And we have book 1, 2, 3, 4 here. It's different color. Okay. So we have a number 1, 2, 4, and behind there are some background here. Sorry. This looks like Seoul. And some bus station, I don't know this one. And Jeju Island, right behind Jeju Island. And this is Gyeongju City, another ancient city, historical city. So we have 4. And I came earlier and charged it inside the box. Sorry, it's upside down, so I cannot control properly. You're laughing now? Okay. So this is BTS box. You can see it's speaking pen with us. So when we open up, ding, with a BTS pen and one charger. Cable we don't need, just remove. Box also remove. So let me show you that BTS pen. There are some C type of cable charger, and then you can connect with your earphone or headset. Yeah.
Wow.
When you don't wanna irritating other person, you can just plug in and then you can hear. So let
That's
me,
good.
yeah, awesome. Let me try to start.
Yep.
You can see blink. Right?
Oh.
Yeah, the BTS voice just saying, okay, let me try one more time. Off. It's off. And when I on, they say hello, right? They always using that.
Yeah.
Hello. So okay, so textbook when you open, it's inside, right? Oh, there are 7 boys here. They just sign themselves and say hello here. And
Wow. It's great.
my favorite is Arem.
안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 아래입니다. 안녕하세요.
You can hear, right? It's a pen speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And who is your favorite? Cake?
B.
Sugar?
No.
안녕하세요.
I
방탄소년단
like them all.
You like them all?
Yeah, but my bias is B. Yeah.
B here.
안녕하세요. 방탄소년단의 뷔입니다.
His voice is very calm.
Yeah.
안녕하세요. 방탄소년단의 뷔입니다.
Just, he's handsome, right? Looking good and looks like sharp. That's why you like him, right?
No.
No?
Not only.
Anyway, there are 7 boys here, and everybody say hello, and then they put their real signing in the book. And content, you can see 4 languages here:
한국어,
Korean,
English,
English,
일본어,
Nihongo, Japanese,
에스파뇰.
Espanol. So far, only 4 languages supported. Okay. And let's see inside. There are structures of books and main characters here. And her name is
Bora. Bora.
Bora.
Bora.
It's Spanish. That's why I like it. Bora. Yeah. Change it to Korean. It's Bora. And
벤.
then Nicole,
벨라.
Bella.
안녕하세요. 저는 이자벨이에요.
Even they say hello here. Where is Isabel? Sorry.
안녕하세요. 저는 이자벨이에요.
Even they saying hello. Korea. And then there are some starting with Korean languages here. When you every text, when you type, they speaking. So you can speak yourself with a pen. You don't need a teacher at all. And I can see here there are 7 members name here.
아렌,
Mm.
진,
Jin,
슈가,
Sugar, right? Yeho,
Yeah.
Jimin,
비, 정, 보라해.
Borahae. Do you know what is Borahae?
Purple.
Yeah, purple. You are army. How come you don't know that? You can see here our logo. It's
Yeah.
right with the love. So the BTS they saying Borahae is I love you meaning. You are not army, I think.
No, I know.
How
I purple you.
Yeah, I purple you the from song, right?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And did you hear the news? Like the last night on Grammy Award, they announced they're going to hire one more member in BTS. Did you know that?
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
one more boy going to join. So it's gonna be 8.
wow.
You didn't see that video, right?
No.
Do you know that what is his name?
No.
보라해. 안녕하세요, 보라해입니다. 안녕하세요, 보라해입니다. It was secret. I'm the member. That's why my name here. What is that reaction? You don't believe it? Let me making sense.
Sorry.
I can make
I
sense.
think
No. 안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다. Same, right? Same. I'm going to debut. Just wait. Okay.
yeah. I'm waiting.
Then this one, even you know this one, fire.
불타로해. Yeah.
This one. 피땀 눈물. You don't know this one?
No.
It's about they also explain about their album BTS. 응원합니다. 사랑합니다. 안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다. I'm one of the member, and you can writing down your name here.
가장 좋아하는 멤버의 이름을 쓰세요.
You can writing down here your favorite
member. Yeah.
Write down 보라해. 안녕하세요, 보라해입니다. You can writing down here 보라해, okay? Okay.
Yeah, well, yeah.
보라해 here. And lesson first, they teaching from how to say hello in Korean. 안녕하세요. And it's like well organized. You can see the subject is not that clear, right? We have when we starting lesson, from next video we're going to start lesson with this book. You can see very clearly, okay?
Yep.
And every
나라,
text
음식, 옷. 언어를 선택하세요. 한국어. 언어를 선택하세요.
is like this. You can
스페인.
with a pen you can click, you can study everything, and you can find here there's some QR code. Oops, sorry, it's supposed to not show there. Okay, here there's QR code. Sorry, here.
What the hell?
It's upside down. So make it. Oh, what's wrong? Okay. So when I scanning the QR code, there are some YouTube video link. BTS boys. Let me cut it off. So during lesson, I'm going to show you to the movie as well.
Oh.
All dialogue, structures, and grammars, vocabularies all covered with us. And even they showing the Korean cultures, how to greeting, 방탄소년단. And end of the lesson. 수고 수고하셨습니다. It's like well done or good job something. So they giving you make you cheer up to finishing your lesson. So all books in structure, and also they gave us like a BTS keyboard sticker. Gave two colors, black and purple. So when you try to typing in Korean alphabet on your computer, you can here. Okay, so
Good.
yeah, that's it. So how do you feel with all this one?
Oh, I'm waiting for first lesson.
Yeah, it's like pretty and giving you motivating, right, to study.
Yeah.
So when you study yourself, you easy to get bored. But with the BTS fan, when you're hearing the BTS voice in movies, it's gonna be much easier and keep going, right?
Yeah, looks good, really.
So from next video, we're going to start with the BTS Korean, and also this time we just review about BTS set, but next time we're going to review some special BTS goods.
Wow.
It's all yellow, 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 yellow also here. Do you know what is this? Do you have any idea?
No.
It's like a secret. It's like there's some Korean pharmaceutical company making collaboration with the BTS, so you can see.
Yeah.
So next time I'm going to open it up and showing. You can buy only in Korea. You cannot buy anywhere else. So let me review. And
Will you try it?
yeah, I tried already because for the review I should try it first. And what else? We're going to review K-pop, sometimes K-drama, and we're going to share Korean culture as well with our video. Okay? So for now, say goodbye with everybody, and let's come back with the lesson video. Okay, Kate?
Okay.
Ready to study?
Bye. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
See you next time. And don't forget LJ Vibes. Bye bye.